Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a looping background in Adobe Animate. First, select a preset for your document. In my case, I will choose the Full HD preset. Now you need to import the background image that you want to loop. Go to File, click on Import, then click on Import to Library. Select your background image from here. Now drag the image onto the canvas. Reduce the canvas size to 25% so that you can clearly see the position of your image. Now position your image over the canvas. Select the Zoom tool and click on the Reduce or Negative icon. Now click on the image to make it smaller. Take the Selection tool, press Ctrl plus Alt on the keyboard, and duplicate the image by clicking and dragging it to the side. Select both images, right-click on them, and click on Convert to Symbol. In the pop-up, click OK. Now select a frame on the timeline. In my case, I will select frame 30 and press F6 to add a keyframe. Now drag the image to the left, filling the canvas. Right-click on the keyframe in the timeline and click on Create Classic Tween. Now you can see that it slides smoothly across the canvas. Next, click on the plus icon to add a new layer. Now take the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle over the original image on the canvas. Now right-click on the new layer and click on Mask. Now let's press Ctrl plus Enter to see the looping preview. Here you can see that our background is looping now. Let's say we want to reduce the speed of the animation. To do this, click on the last keyframe and extend it. Now extend layer 2 to match the original. If we press Ctrl plus Enter again, you can see that the looping speed has been adjusted. Now, if you want to export this looping animation, you need to export it as a GIF. Go to File, click on Export, then click on Export Animated GIF. In this window, click on Save. Select a location, give a name to the file, and click on Save. Now let's go to the location. This was our original image file, and this is the looping background we just created. And that's how you can create a looping background in Adobe Animate. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.